In this product spotlight, I'll be showing you the Ink Expert's mini swing wave press. Again, this comes in our exclusive hot magenta pink, and this one is the baby of our range. It's a 30 by 23 centimetre sized element that's perfect for A4 size transfers, and it saves on space, ideal for those with a small craft space. It's brilliant for rigid surfaces like slates or glass, and can be used for a range of textiles, t-shirts, cushion covers. As long as the design is small, this one will do the job. No complicated bells and whistles, it's just a simple press, heats up, cools down. You have a manual timer switch on the side. The temperature is controlled by the control box here, and pressure can be adjusted with the adjuster knob just on the back. Swings from left to right, both directions, and can be clamped down simply by pulling the lever. It's great for beginners and ideal for those on a budget.